Cauliflower pickle. Very tasty pickle recipe. Hope you will like the recipe. First we will cut them. You can see how we will cut the cauliflower. After cutting all the cauliflower in this way, put water in a pot. After the water is slightly heated, add a little salt and turmeric to the water. Now put all the cut cauliflower pieces in this water and soak for 2 minutes. By doing this, our pickles get a very good color and the germs present in them are destroyed. After this, put it in a pot and drain all the water and dry it in the sun for about 3 hours. When drying in the sun, hang it like this to dry it quickly. This pickle should not be made until it is well dried, otherwise the pickle will become sticky. Now let's prepare the necessary spices. In the spices, we have taken red chilies, fennel, coriander, fenugreek, cumin, and cumin. Now lightly roast all the spices in a pan. Chili should be placed before other spices as it takes time to heat. Now mix the rest of the spices and roast. After the masala is roasted, turn off the gas and grind mustard. Now pour it into a plate and let it cool. And heat 100 milliliters of mustard oil in the same hot pan. After heating, close it and let it cool. Put the roasted spices in a mixer and mix Kashmiri pepper, salt, turmeric to make a fine powder. Now the cauliflower is dried in the sun, put it in a bowl and mix all the ground spices in it. And add some nigella seeds and chaat masala. Now add the heated oil little by little and mix well. If you want to store the pickle for a long time, you can add more oil or use vinegar. Our delicious cauliflower pickle is ready. How do you like this recipe? If you like, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now put the pickle like this in a jar and cover it well and keep it in the sun for 3 days and enjoy the delicious pickle. Thanks for watching.